Before you decide to invest in Apollo IO, there are 7 key things you need to know, especially if you're coming from other tools like HubSpot or Salesforce. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know if Apollo IO is truly the right choice for your business needs. First, let's talk about pricing. One of the biggest selling points of Apollo IO is its competitive pricing. Compared to other CRM tools, especially HubSpot or Salesforce, Apollo IO offers more flexible pricing tiers. You get a lot more bang for your buck with Apollo IO, particularly if you're a smaller business or a startup. In fact, it's one of the most affordable platforms with such a comprehensive suite of tools, and you can even try it completely free from the link below. Keep watching to see what's included in that free trial. Next, Apollo IO is known for its powerful lead generation tools. If you've struggled to get quality leads through platforms like LinkedIn or through paid ads, Apollo IO might be a game changer. Their prospecting tool allows you to search a massive database of over 200 million contacts. This gives you the ability to narrow down your search by job titles, industries, locations, and more. It's especially useful for businesses looking to scale and target specific decision makers. This feature is unique in its depth when compared to the limited lead sourcing options in tools like Salesforce. The third thing to know is Apollo's integrated email outreach. Unlike some competitors, Apollo IO has a built-in email automation system that allows you to run drip campaigns, track emails, and even manage your inbox all in one place. Whether you're doing cold outreach or managing ongoing customer relationships, this makes Apollo IO stand out, especially since many platforms require third-party integrations for email campaigns. The fourth thing is Apollo IO's advanced analytics. If you're used to basic reporting, Apollo IO will be a breath of fresh air. It provides deep insights into your campaigns, helping you understand what's working and what's not. Unlike other tools, which can leave you guessing, Apollo IO's analytics give you a clear picture of your performance, whether it's email engagement, lead conversion, or outreach success rates. Next thing, Apollo IO's CRM is sleek and easy to use. In comparison to the often overwhelming dashboards of Salesforce or the cluttered interface of HubSpot, Apollo IO's interface is clean and intuitive. It's easy for teams to get on board without the steep learning curve that's common with other platforms. Whether you're managing a small team or have a larger operation, you'll find it user-friendly and simple to navigate. The sixth thing to know is how Apollo IO handles integrations. If you use other marketing tools, don't worry. Apollo IO integrates seamlessly with various third-party platforms like Zapier, Google Sheets, and even LinkedIn. This is crucial for businesses that rely on multiple tools for different functions. With integrations, you won't have to switch between different tabs or worry about data syncing issues, something that other CRMs sometimes struggle with. Finally, one of Apollo IO's strongest features is its customer support. They offer great support through chat and email, and their online knowledge base is detailed and user-friendly. When you compare this to some other tools like Salesforce, where support can sometimes be slow and complicated, Apollo IO really stands out for being responsive and accessible to all users. So if you want to give Apollo IO a try and see for yourself how it compares to other tools, click the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive access to their best free trial, plus some bonus features that you won't find anywhere else. And that's it. 7 things you absolutely need to know about Apollo IO before making your decision. It's affordable, powerful, and user-friendly, and it could be the CRM tool that takes your business to the next level. Again, try it out for free by clicking the link below.